Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks so much for coming. This is a cleaning video collab. I am cleaning the kitchen. The collab is with Frugalmama of Boys, so if you haven't checked her video out, please go ahead and do so.
Are you messing with me, bro? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Later, hopefully leaving. I'm running. Now I get ready for work. Okay. Oh, to walk and ride to work. All right then, Keita, Michelle. Yes. Woo. How many was it? It was 100. Okay. Enjoy, be safe, make it great. Yeah, we ain't got time for that. Boom, boom. We done knock it out the way with, because we done got filled this morning. Filled with peace, positivity, prosperity. Love. You get that love over here. You get that love over here, baby. Boom, boom. The world gonna try to throw stuff at you today. Woo! But baby, we are filled. Boom. Out of there. Out of there. Out of there. Negativity. Out of there. Out of there. Doubt. Out of there. Frustration. Hey. Shout out to Gene Simmons, my rock star motivator. Hey. That's right. That's right, sis. Hey.
Hello, Wellness Crusaders. It is day 189 of 365 days of tips, tricks, and techniques designed to help us create and/or maintain healthy habits. And for day number 189, I just have a question for you. Do you think it's possible to wish someone well after they've hurt you? Now, Gandhi says that the weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. What are your thoughts? Leave me a comment, and also make sure you have the notification bell on, subscribed, and like the video. See you in the next one. Bye, y'all.
So we are cleaning the kitchen, which is the messiest part, I think, of the house. It's the biggest part of the house, and I'm featuring some products that I use, that I like to use. So if you're interested in those products, let me know in the comments. And what is your favorite part of the house to clean? And your least favorite part of the house to clean? All right, guys, so stay tuned for the video. And as always, stay safe. So I definitely had to get rid of these dirty towels. And then I start loading the dishwasher. I pop one of these Cascade or Publix brand pods in the dishwasher before I even finish loading it. That way I'm ahead of myself. And what I use in the kitchen is Comet, Miss Myers, Pine Salt, Fabuloso, and then I have a mixed spray that I usually have out that has bleach in it for some tougher stains. I did pull out this pink paste. I found it on Amazon. I'm gonna try to use it on the pots to see if that brown stuff actually comes out. So I definitely like Comet. I do sprinkle it in the bottom of the sink so it can sit, and then when I'm done I can scrub out the sink. Now let's get to spraying these countertops so we can scrub them down. I like to spray everything first, microwave, the stove, the front of the stove, and then we can just get to wiping. I don't know about you guys, but there are tons of crumbs underneath this mini oven. I usually clean out the microwave like once a week. How often do you guys clean yours? I like to make sure I go back and wipe off all the grease that gets trapped on the top of the microwave and around the handles, and wipe down the buttons because those are germ catchers. This tends to be the greasiest spot in the kitchen, so I usually spray this down and leave it so that I can just wipe off all the grease and on all the buttons and around the knobs where grease splatters, even on the back of the wall sometimes there's grease. Now to tackle the coffee area, where there's usually some sugar spilled and just a whole bunch of coffee pods for my Nespresso machine. So this definitely needs to be cleaned up. Oh hey, and if you've made it this far, drop me a heart, any color, in the comments. Thanks. And let's not forget the front of the stove, where all the splatters fall and fingerprints from little kids, etc., that needs to be wiped down. Now to cleaning the sink and scrubbing these pots. When I opened it, it was like this, and I was like, yuck, is this how it's supposed to look? I'm just gonna attempt, this is my first time using this product, and just scrub it on here. I have seen someone else use it, so maybe I did it wrong, but you guys will see the process. So I decided to just scrub the sink with this stuff. Since this hard to remove stain is still in the bottom of the sink, it was like that when we got here. It still won't come out. happening now. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And have a great rest of your week. And as always, stay safe, guys.